Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the latest comment from Donald Trump and why his speech is creating massive discussion online. Breaking news from the United States. Donald Trump made strong statement yesterday about Iran, war, tension, immigration and America global power. His speech immediately went viral and people are debating whether his comment will calm tension or increase them even more. Today in this video I will explain exactly what Trump said, what it means politically and how the world is reacting. During recent remarks, Trump focused heavily on the Iran situation and America's military strength. He said Iran should wave the white flag of surrender, claiming that Iran's military power has become very weak after recent tension in Middle East. Trump also warned that United States will respond strongly if Iran breaks the ceasefire agreement. At the same time, he claimed that Iran secretly wants a deal with America. Another major point from his speech was about the Russia-Ukraine war. Trump said a temporary ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine could become the beginning of the end of the conflict. He also criticized political opponent and defended his leadership style, saying America must show strength globally. Trump claimed that critics saying the US is losing or spreading weakness of negativity. Supporters say Trump looks strong and decisive during global conflict. They believe his aggressive language pressures enemies and protects America's interest. But critics say his statement could increase international tension. Some European leaders are already trying to reduce conflict and avoid escalation with the United States. Meanwhile, social media exploded with debate about whether Trump's strategy is helping peace negotiation or making the situation more dangerous. Oil prices and global market are also reacting because investors fear more instability in the Middle East. Politically, these speeches are important because Trump is showing voters that he wants to appear tough on foreign policy before future elections. Many analysts believe Trump is trying to strengthen his image as a powerful leader during global crisis. Others think these comments could divide American voters even more. One thing is certain, every major Trump speech quickly becomes worldwide news. So what do you think? Are Trump comment helping global peace or increasing tension around the world? Comment below with your opinion. And if you enjoy this video, do not forget a like, subscribe and turn on notification for more breaking US political update every day.